Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay, so today guys, we're going to be talking all about starting with this right here. I'm going to give you three very good, fantastic blockchains that you can purchase for less than 25 cents. So if they are less than 25 cents, two of these projects you can purchase for 4 cents, which means you can buy 500 of those tokens. You cannot buy 500 tokens with $20. You can't get 500 shares of stock, not the technology of the future. So I'm going to show you all that today. Before I get started, remember, I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to wait on it right now. I'm going to wait on it. Go ahead and click on subscribe right now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can be notified whenever I make these videos. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I've already made videos about these three projects, but I just want you all to know it starts here. If you want to start to begin, if you want to build your wealth or create your wealth, guys, it starts right here. Start with this $20 bill right here. If you don't have $20, you need to borrow it. But this is not financial advice. All right, let's go ahead and get started. My first project I'm going to talk about is Celer Network. Celer Network is a powerful project, okay? Celer Network, it has an interchange message framework. And this interchange message framework, guys, is the truth. It is the future of this technology, this ecosystem. The interchange message framework basically changes how dApps that are built on multiple blockchains, it changes how they're built and how they're used. And so basically, any multi-chain dApp can benefit from this technology. This project is interoperable. It works with a lot of it's a layer 2 platform. It increases the efficiency. It is very secure. It is very reliable, and it's a very stable technology. And a lot of different technologies are currently using C-Bridge, which is part of the Celer Network, and the interchange message framework. So guys, this is a must-have. And the best thing about it, that the future price of this, of Celer Network right now is 4 cents. They have a low market cap, okay? They have a very low market cap. They only have about 10 billion total tokens that will ever be created. Right now, there's about 5.6 billion in circulation. Guys, I can see Celer Network very easily being at least $1 by the end of 2022, okay? Not financial advice, but from 4 cents to $1, I think is huge. We're talking about 4 cents. Okay, how are we going to get there? 2 different ways. I'm trying to show you all 4 pennies. Okay, 2 different ways to get to this dollar or more. Number 1, right now, Celer Network is not listed on Coinbase or Binance.us. Why? I don't know. But I assure you of this. When Celer Network is listed on Coinbase, it's going to explode. That's all I'm going to say. It's going to explode. Right now, I'm buying Celer Network every day because I can get it for 4 cents. And that's a steal, and I'm going to continue to accumulate. So when it does take off, I am already positioned to have a lot of money because you know that I'm on my way to becoming a crypto multimillionaire, okay? All right, the second project, Zilliqa. The symbol is ZIL. ZIL is another fantastic project. $20, okay? 20 bucks. So ZIL also goes for just 4 cents. 4 cents. This technology is superior. ZIL has had some issues, and I've been with ZIL for a couple of years. I love the project. They've had some ups and downs, but I'm sticking with it because I like what they're doing. They made some changes in their team. They have a phenomenal team. They know what they're doing. They have a ton of experience, and they are grinding and getting the work done. Let me give you a little bit of information about ZIL. ZIL has a GZIL governance token. That's powerful. A governance token basically allows the holders of that token to have more say in the direction of the ecosystem. Also, they have XCAD. XCAD is a technology that allows the content creators to incentivize their followers, like with tokens and other perks. That's the way of the future, the way of the world. That's where we're going. So you're going to content creators will be incentivizing their followers. That's the other piece, and that's their XCAD. My most favorite thing about Zilliqa is the metapolis metaverse. Their metaverse is beautiful. If you haven't seen it, I just feel like it is superior. It has great graphics and I love it. Now, I also own Decentraland and Sandbox, but I love the metapolis. I just do. And I think being early in Zeal and accumulating a lot of Zeal is going to allow me to have some big benefits when the Metapolis Metaverse is fully developed. I want to buy some land. Right now it costs about 10 grand to buy one plot of land on Sandbox. So I know that as I accumulate this Zilliqa, I'm going to be able to get in here early. 4 cents, guys. 4 pennies, okay? And the other thing is, I think in the future, Zilliqa will be listed on Coinbase. And when it gets listed on Coinbase, it's going to explode. Right now, you can buy Zilliqa on crypto.com and Binance.us, okay? 4 cents. My third one I'm going to talk about is Harmony One. Same $20. That's it. Start with this. You don't have to start with $1,000. Same $20. Harmony One, right now, it is 16 cents. So you can get about 125 Harmony One tokens. Guys, that's affordable. Invest in yourself. Don't you want to have some kind of wealth? Even if you're not going to be a multi-millionaire or crypto multi-millionaire, maybe you want to be 100,000-aire or just 1,000-aire, okay? These prices, you can, when will you ever be able to buy the technology of the future? Starting with 20 bucks. One share of Amazon costs you $3,000. Okay? You can get this today. Harmony One. Let me show you 16 cents. 16 cents. That's it. Okay. Harmony One. I call them the king of DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, phenomenal project and a phenomenal leadership in that area. Also, they're building bridges, the Polygon Bridge, the Cosmos Bridge, the Bitcoin Bridge. They're doing some great things, guys. I'm telling you, this team behind Harmony One, they know what they're doing. They have a ton of experience in cryptography. They are going to be a winner. Also, on their layer 1 blockchain, they have 1 second finality. So there's no fooling around. There's no risk. That's heavy duty security, okay? And like I told you, oh, also their 2026 roadmap, it means that they have planned out the future of this particular project. They know where they're going. They know what they're working on. They know what they're doing. So there you go. That's all that I have. My name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to click on like. Don't forget to subscribe, please, okay? And turn on your notifications so you can get this content when I get it. Remember, it starts with this. Take $20, look at my other videos so you can see how to get signed up for on an exchange if you're not already signed up. And until next time, I'm out. Thanks for watching.